Hey everybody, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Afiz. On this channel, I talk about finance, investments, and any other money related topics. So please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you get notified when I drop a new video. Alright, in today's video, I'll be discussing the best 5 side hustles you can start up right now and can eventually make you between 5 to 6 figures monthly. I have done almost all the 5 side hustles I'll be discussing with you today at least once or twice. So I'm here to discuss with you the real and the tested ways of making money on the side that could possibly make you between 5 to 6 figures a month. So if this is your first time on this channel, please drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel out a lot. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. If there's one thing we all learned in 2019 and 2020, it will be never to rely on one source of income, because over 200 million people lost their job due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and it renders everybody having issues with bill payments and every other stuff. Here are five different side hustles you can start doing right now, and you can eventually scale up to be a full-time business for you if you love it and you enjoy it. If you stay up to the end of this video, I'll give you a bonus where you can make money in the crypto market for free every single day. Starting with number 5 on my list, I have freelancing. Freelancing is the method of selling services to individual buyers without being employed by a company. A freelancer is someone who is not employed by any organizations but work for different organizations. You can also say a freelancer is someone who is self-employed and work for different organizations. So if you have a particular skills or talent such as essay writing, if you're really good at maths, or if you're really good at making logos or making any kind of music, you can render your service to people on different kind of platform and you get paid for it. There are different kind of freelance websites that you can sign up for at zero cost and offer your services to people, such as Fiverr, Freelancer, Upworks, and lots more. So let's say, for example, if you're someone that you're really good at essay writing or you're really good at mathematics, you can sign up on Fiverr and render your service to people and get paid as high as $130, depending on how many words essay it is and how professional you are. And you can also charge them as low as $6.55, depending on how many words essay it is and how good you actually are. Another example here is if you have a huge amount of followers on any of the social media platform, you can sign up on Fiverr and render promotion services to people and you get paid as high as $100 or $150. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will rate this side hustles a 5.5 because you only make money when you receive order, and you can go weeks or even months without receiving any order based on the kind of service you are offering. Moving on to number 4 on my list, I have affiliate marketing. So basically, affiliate marketing is a way of referring product and services of companies that are not your own to people, and you get paid commission whenever the purchase is made or an action is taken upon your referral. For example, in Uber will tell you if you refer your friend, you will get 50% off, or you will get $30 off your next ride, and you referred people. I remember the very first time I wanted to use Uber, I referred my sister and I got like 30 to 50% off my first ride. And that's a method of affiliate marketing, because you are telling other people about the company and the company is paying you a commission, even though it's not directly to your bank account, but you're getting paid something that helped you in a way or the other to minimize your next ride. There are platforms where you can go and promote any kind of product on any kind of niche and you get paid for it, such as ClickBank, Amazon, Impact, and lots more. Affiliate marketing is a very big topic on its own, which I will not be going too deep into it today, because people are making 5, 6, even 7 figures every month doing affiliate marketing. And let me know in the comment section if you would like me to cover this as a whole topic. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give this side hustles a 9.5 because people are actually making between 6 to 8 figures monthly doing it, and all you need to do is be consistent and be hardworking. Number 3 on my list, I have dropshipping. Dropshipping is basically a sweet way and a less stressful way of selling product online without having to see or even touch the product, and your product gets to your customer. You can also say dropshipping is a business model of running an online business without having to keep or save inventory. Dropshipping gives you the opportunity to sell products directly from the wholesaler to the customer or the consumer. A lot of people right now are coming up with the idea of opening or starting a business, which is a very great idea. But most people believe if you don't have a lot of money or don't have inventory to your products, you cannot start a business. That's not true. With the help of dropshipping, you can open up a store online full of product, and without you having to store inventory, to touch the product or even see the product, and your product still gets to your customer. This helps you a lot to save on shipping fee and every other kind of fees that are included if you actually have the product with you. So how does a dropshipping works? All you need to do is open up a store online, connect your store to a supplier, and whenever you receive an order in your store, you send it straight to your supplier, and your supplier sends it to the customer without you having to touch or even see the product. Alright, this chart explains much better what a dropshipping is. So let's say you open up a store full of products, and if customer places an order in your store for $200, you then forward the order to your supplier, paying a wholesale price of $150. Your supplier then sends the product to your buyer, eliminating the shipping fee, inventory, or having to see or touch the product. The rest of the $50 from these sales will be your own profit. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give this side hustles a 10 out of 10 because I have seen people made between 6 to 10 figures monthly or yearly doing dropshipping. I have personally tried this method back in 2018, 2019, where I opened different kind of stores selling different kind of products. And the one that really made me most money was my bikini store, but I'm not doing it right now because it's a seasonal type of business niche, which during the winter time is kind of slow for me, so I just stopped it. I'll go more into dropshipping later on this channel, so if you would like to see me do dropshipping from scratch, step by step, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification on this channel. Number 2 on my list, I have bird dog or real estate wholesaling. If you're looking to get into real estate without having any license or certificate, being a bird dog or real estate wholesaling will help you to achieve that. So what is a bird dog or what is a real estate wholesaling, and how does it work? A bird dog is a person who looks for distressed or undervalued property and handles them over to the investor, and once a deal is closed on the property, the investor paid the bird dog a commission between $1,000 to $5,000 based on the agreement between the bird dog and the investor. Real estate wholesaling, on the other hand, is kind of similar to being a bird dog, but the difference in real estate wholesaling is the wholesaler looks for undervalued and underpriced property and gets you on a contract with the seller at a lower price and sells it back to the seller, to the buyer, at a higher price. So the difference between the price will be its own profit, which ranges between 10,000. This method is 100% legit, and anybody can do it without having a license or real estate license. Have any of you guys seen a sign like this, maybe on a traffic pole or electric poles, that says we buy houses cash, and they will include their phone number? This is the kind of method some wholesalers use to get discount houses, because the person that will be calling them will be someone that really wants to sell their house as soon as possible due to maybe a death or divorce, and they just want the property gone. I have personally tried the real estate wholesaling side hustles, and I was close to closing a deal, but the deal didn't go through because the seller received a much better offer and he had to decline my own offer. So let me give you an example. This house in America is selling for $60,000. If you are a bird dog, all you need to do is write down the address and you send it to your investor. And whenever they close deal on this house, the investor will pay you a commission that you agreed on. But let's say you decided to wholesale this house as a real estate wholesaler. You will negotiate the price with the actual seller at a lower price, let's say $48,000. And once the seller agreed to your price of $48,000, you put it on a contract. You can get a contract from any real estate lawyer with a small fee of maybe $100 or $150. After putting it on the contract, you will then find a buyer to buy it at your own price of $70,000 or more. At a very good negotiation with you and the potential buyer, you both settled for let's say $59,000. But meanwhile, you already put the house on the contract for $48,000. So once the buyer agrees to pay $59,000 and he pays $59,000 to you, you pay the original seller for $48,000. The difference between the money will be your own profits, which is $11,000. All this process requires some legal steps which are not really ad or legal activities, but I'm just giving you a very lame explanation of how it really works. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give this side hustles a 10 out of 10, because if you're hardworking and you put in the work, you can actually make between 5 to 6 figures on just one deal. Now imagine you making like 5, 6, 7 deals in a year. Number 1 on my list, I have drop servicing. Drop servicing is the same thing as drop shipping, but instead of selling products, you're selling a service. Drop servicing can be seen as a practice of selling a service or services to a certain customer at a certain price, and you hire somebody else to do the service for you, or maybe you do it yourself. There is a lot of services you can render to people without having any qualification or certificate, such as house cleaning, car washing, or snow removal, and lots more. You can set up these services by yourself and build up a relationship with the customer before you can employ somebody else to do it for you. Drop servicing have a lot of potential to generate you money and can help you to quit your 9-to-5 job if you don't like it. So for instance, let's say you know someone that wants to clean their house or wants to wash their car. You can render your service to them and you get paid between $50 to $100 doing this. You can advertise your services on the Facebook marketplace or any other social media platform that could generate you traffic and get you customers for your services. For your service, I mean. I have done this drop servicing before, and I'm still actually currently doing it right now, whereby I go to people's house and wash their car for them and get paid between $50 to $100. $50 to $100 a month to your income or bank account is not a bad idea. The very first drop servicing, the very first car wash I did was back in July 2020, and I got like a $20 extra tip for doing a good job. So there's a lot of potential in drop servicing business, and you can actually scale it up to be a full-time business. That's going to be the end of the 5 side hustles that I have for you guys today. But before I leave, I want to give you a bonus way you can make money. You can make passive income every single day in the cryptocurrency market. And the best way you can do that is by buying this Helium mine. So what is Helium mining all about, and how does it work? Well, Helium is a company that aims to work with people's powered network. Helium partners with different companies who need data services for battery operated things such as solar sensors for large farming, pet collars with GPS tracking, and health monitoring, and lots more. So what they have done, instead of going to purchase a large cell tower which costs millions of dollars, they intensify people to purchase these hotspot miners and put in their house to help them boost their network, and they reward you with the Helium HNT token, which is the cryptocurrency for the Helium. The HNT token, which is the cryptocurrency for Helium. I'll be testing out most of the side hustles that I just mentioned today later on this channel. So if you would like to see me do each and every one of the side hustles that I just mentioned, consider subscribing, and don't forget to drop a like on this video because it helps the channel a lot. That's going to be the end of my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Also, don't forget to like this video because YouTube recommends this video to other people if we get a lot of likes on this video. So please don't forget to like and share it with your people. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.